Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make paneer tikka in air fryer. It's a healthy paneer tikka recipe and it is very easy to make. So let's get started. So firstly chop some paneer into square cubes and then take some curd. In the curd add some garlic and ginger and squeeze half a lemon in it and stir nicely. Then after that add some red chili powder, some haldi, some salt, and then add some garam masala and add some pepper powder also. Then you need to add some tandoori masala and some crushed kasuri methi. Add a little bit of oil to it and stir nicely, mix everything nicely, and it will get a nice color, something like this. Then to it you can add the paneer cubes and mix everything nicely. After mixing it, please put the paneer in the fridge for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes preheat the air fryer for a few minutes, and then take a toothpick and add the paneer like a barbecue. I don't have the barbecue sticks or anything, so I just make it in a simple way. Just take some paneer cubes and put it in the toothpick like this. In one toothpick you can add about 3 to 4 cubes. I mostly add 3, and after doing that it will look something like this. Then after preheating the air fryer, now I will put all this paneer in the air fryer and I will cook it for, I am not going to add any oil or anything to it, and that is why this recipe is very healthy. Now I'm going to close the lid and put it for like 10 minutes for 160 to 180 degrees, and after that it will look something like this. It turned out so nice. You can have it with hari chutney or. Hello guys, so you saw my easy healthy paneer tikka recipe. It was so simple, so easy, and so healthy. You can have it with green chutney, mint chutney, or coriander chutney, up to you. And do give a try to this recipe, and thank you for watching.